Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another Mommy Monday video. If you are new here, my name is Melissa. I am currently 7 months pregnant. Wow, that is crazy to say. 7 months pregnant with my second baby, 2 boys. My first one is just over 2 years old. Oh my gosh, I can't even believe it. But today I'm going to share something new with you. It's called the Bump Boxes subscription service. This is my second box I have received from them. My first one I actually unboxed over on my Instagram. If you do not follow me on Instagram, you totally should, because I post a lot of family, baby, mommy, toddler stuff over there, so definitely check it out. But I thought I would film a quick YouTube video to share it with you guys because why not, right? So if you're unfamiliar, Bump Boxes is a subscription service that is for pregnant mamas, which is so exciting. Like, treating yourself every single month to a fun little surprise box is just what you need when you're pregnant, you know? So you can either buy them monthly, or you can do a 3-month subscription, I think, a 6-month subscription, or a 9-month subscription. So you can get one of these boxes every single month that you're pregnant, which is so exciting. The products inside are actually tailored to your due date. So you type in your due date when you're kind of filling out your form, and the products in here should line up with, you know, your due date and the products that you'll need during that specific month of your pregnancy. So I'm pretty excited. They did send over a code, I believe. Not a code, just a link, and it looks like it's a generic link actually. So where you can receive 50% off of your first box, a free gift, and free shipping. So definitely check it out if you're pregnant, or if you know somebody who's pregnant. This would be a really great like baby shower gift, or just like congratulations gift for them. I think this is such a cool concept. So there is a little card that tells you everything that's in your box. I'm going to cover that up, but it does, because I want to be surprised, it does say that this box is actually worth $61, and it looks like there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 products inside, and it does say, "Mama, it's almost go time." It is almost go time, which is wild. The big Labor Day is coming, and we're here to help you prepare. This month's box is curated specifically for your big delivery day. We're so excited for you and your growing family. And then there's also this little free breast pump thing. So I actually already got my free breast pump through insurance, and I got a maternity belt, like a support belt, which I thought was really cool. So anyways, let's dig in. Okay, so the first thing I see in here is a little snack size of the White Crisp Raspberry Swirl granola. I wonder if this is like a bonus item, or if this is actually part of the box, because this is a little baby here, but this would be so great to throw in your hospital bag. Next thing in here is a cosmetic item. So this is the Bella Bee, oh, it's not a cosmetic. I thought these were makeup wipes. They sure look like it, huh? Bella Bee Nipple Nurture Breast Wipes. Okay, soothing breast wipes. Food grade ingredients. Refresh after pumping or breastfeeding. You know, I could see how these could come in handy for sure, especially after pumping. Sometimes you just like, you feel a little yucky, and you want to like clean up. Another good thing about this box is when there is cosmetic or products like this, all the ingredients are pregnancy safe, newborn safe, which is nice because you don't have to do a whole bunch of research trying to figure out if things are safe or not. It's just, they won't include it if it's not safe. Okay, next thing in here is a tea, Blush Teas Energize Pregnancy Blend, caffeine free, which is really, really good. Growing a human is hard work. Yes. Yes, it is. We created this energizing tea blend just for you. Take a sip and give your tired body a much needed energy boost. Interesting that it's caffeine free, but it's still like energizing. Right around 36 weeks, I start drinking raspberry leaf tea, and it seemed to help with my last pregnancy, so I will probably do that again with this one, but I can drink this one in the meantime. All right, next thing in here is a pair of socks by the brand Bump Life. These are no-slip socks, and they say, what do they say on here? Inhale, exhale. Nice reminder. You do need non-slip or like grippy socks in the hospital if you're gonna wear socks. They make you wear like the ones with the grippies on them. I think they provide some in the hospital, but these are cute. Okay, next thing in the box. I have no idea what this is. It looks like something for baby, actually. Oh, it's soft. Yeah, this looks like a little security blanket for baby. So it's nice and soft on one side, and then this other side is like a polyester. Nice and soft. These little security blankets are super nice. It feels a lot like what's attached to like a Lovey if you have something like that. Okay, last thing in here is, ooh, by the brand Ubi, which makes diaper pail, if I'm correct. This is the on-the-go wipes dispenser. You know what? I could actually really use one of these for my toddler right now. So I inevitably always repurchase like the little travel size packs of wipes, but that's a little bit, you know, it can get expensive because those can be expensive. They're pretty much the same price as a full pack of wipes. So having something like this, I should have had one a long time ago, but I didn't. So this is quite perfect actually, and there's a little strap on it so you can put it on your stroller or in the car or whatever, toss it in your diaper bag. So this is perfect. So it looks like the granola was my freebie. So I'm looking at the back here. So the Inhale Exhale socks are worth $14. The breast wipes are worth $4. The Lovey is $16. The Ubi wipe dispenser is $15, and the tea is $13. So that is all that was in my bump box. I hope that you guys enjoyed watching me unbox this. If you need any links or any information, I'm gonna put it all in my description box so you can check it out if you are curious. But other than that, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you next time.